Hello, welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Hope you're all well there. Today we've got the 2011 Isuzu Dmax dual cab ute. It's a 3 litre turbo diesel, 4-wheel drive manual. Bit of a tap in the front as you can see. Not a bad car, a few little dings in the doors here and there. The hard lid's missing off the back there. Got a set of wheels on it. Marks here and there. Tub liner and a mat in the back there. Roll bar. Open up here and show you the trim. Just a standard cloth trim, needs a good clean. Jack and brace on the floor. Pop the bonnet and we'll start her up for you. The bend in the bonnet stay there. It stays there. There's our engine under there. License plate over here. 7th 11. And read that one there, but we'll show you that too. It's got all the necessary details. Okay, I'll start up and I'll get the kilometres for you. I think they're 150 or 170 or thereabouts. Okay, what have we got here? 150,887 Ks. Away we go. Aftermarket stereo. 5-speed 4-wheel drive. Just like a kitten. They go forever, these things. Good trucks. Alright, if you need any Dmax parts or any other car parts that matter, give the guys at Parts Plus a call on 02 4646 1733. They're only too glad to help you out. Thanks for watching, stay safe and bye for now.